Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in numbers part 4. Okay, our lecture number is 4 and your homework number is also 4 today. Now, dear students, in the previous classes, that means in lecture 1, 2 and 3, we have learned part 1, part 2, part 3 of writing numbers. That means we have learned already from 51 to 80. Today we will learn from 81 to 90. So let's start our class. The topic is writing numbers. We will learn today from 81 to 90. We have already write down on the board the number in words. We will write down the numbers in number. Okay. So first number is 81. How should we write down 81? In the previous class, like the previous class, we will solve the class similarly. Okay. So first of all, we must indicate the place value. It is tens and ones. We need it to write down 81. Then part by part we should write down that 81. To write down 80, we must write down 8 in the tens place, and to write down 1, we must write down 1 in the ones place. So 81 should be, to write down 80, we must write down 8 in the tens place, and to write down 1, we must write down 1 in the ones place. And we will say that 8 tens and 1 ones makes the number 81, or you can say directly that 8 and 1 makes the number 81. My dear students, I repeat, you can say in basically 8 tens and 1 ones makes the number 81, or you can say directly that 8 and 1 makes the number 81. Both are correct. Okay. The next number of 81 is 82. So first of all, indicate the place value. It's tens and ones. T means tens, O means ones. Okay. To write down 82, 80. First of all, 80. To write down 80, you must write down 8 in the tens place, and to write down 2, we must write down 2 in the ones place. This makes 82. We'll say in basically 8 tens and 2 ones makes the number 82, or you can say directly 8 and 2 makes the number 82. Okay, dear students. Now the next number of 82 is 83. To write down 83, first of all, we should indicate the place value. It's tens and ones. Now to write down 80, we must write down 8 in the tens place, and to write down 3, we must write down 3 in the ones place. This makes 83. That means 8 tens and 3 ones makes the number 83. You can say directly that 8 and 3 makes the number 83. The next number, which is 84. The next number of 83 is 84. To write down 84, we must indicate the place value. It's tens and ones. Then in the tens place, we should write down 8, because 84 need to write down. So to write down 80, we must write down 8 in the 8 tens place and 4 in the ones place to write down 4. So this makes 84. 8 tens and 4 ones makes the number 84, or you can say that 8 and 4 makes the number 84. After 84, the number comes which is 85. To write down 85, first of all, indicate the place value. To write down 80, we must write down 8 in the tens place. To write down 5, we must write down 5 in the ones place. It makes 85. That means 8 tens and 5 ones makes the number 85. Okay, you can say directly that 8 and 5 makes the number 85. The next number of 85 is 86. Okay, so first of all, we must indicate the place value. To write down the number 86. To write down 80, we must write down 8 in the tens place, and to write down 6, we must write down 6 in the ones place. This makes 86. You can say 8 tens and 6 ones makes the number 86, or you can say 8 and 6 makes the number 86. After 86, the number comes which is 87. Indicate the place value to write down 87. Then to write down 80, we must write down 8 in the tens place, and to write down 7, we must write down 7 in the ones place. It makes 87. That means 8 tens and 7 ones makes the number 87, or you can say directly that 8 and 7 makes the number 87. After 87, the number comes which is 88. First of all, indicate the place value. Then to write down 80, we must write down 8 in the tens place. To write down 8, we must write down 8 in the ones place. It's 8 and 8 makes the number 88. Okay, 8 and 8 makes the number 88, and the basic is it 8 tens and 8 ones makes the number 88. After 88, the number comes with 89. So first of all, we must indicate the place value. Okay. After that, to write down 80, we must write down 8 in the tens place, and to write down 9, we must write down 9 in the ones place. It makes 89. So 8 tens and 9 ones makes the number 89. Dear students, you can see directly that 8 and 9 makes the number 89. Okay, our last number, the next number of 89 is 90. Today's last number is 90. Dear students, to write down 90, we must indicate the place value of tens and ones, and you must write down 9 in the place of 10 to write down 90. Okay, to write down 90, you must write down 9 in the tens place, not in the ones place. Okay, 9 should be in the tens place, and there is no number with 90. That means we should fill up the ones place with the digit 0. So 0 will be here, and this makes 90. 9 tens and 0 ones makes the number 90. You can see directly that 9 and 0 makes the number 90. Dear students, I hope you have understood, and you have the homework. This is your CW. Dear students, this is your CW, and this is also be your HW. That means this portion need to do as your HW in your HW copy. So is your HW number is how much? HW number is 4. Okay, HW number 4. Mention the HW number in your HW copy and do the HW properly. You can submit the HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM, my dear students. Okay, see you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.